Assalamualaikum, good morning, good evening, good afternoon everyone. Like afternoon and then evening. Okay, so it's me Aya aka Alexander Gomez, and today I'm going to talk about some serious topic over here in my video. For the past few days in 2014, there's lots of things happens in this world, especially in Malaysia. I'm mentioning Malaysia because I'm going to talk about Malaysia, which is my country. There's natural disaster that happened in Malaysia, which is flood. Happened at Kelantan, Johor, and other place, which is the worst is at Kelantan. The flood victim lost their furniture, clothes, and food, and some of their important things that's really important. They lost all of that. Since there's kind of people in this world that help to donate food, clothes, and money, well, still I think they still need more money. Well, they donate all of that, and it's really kind of them to donate to the flood victim because this is important things for them. Like it's kind of like things that they use, like clothes. I think they already have enough clothes. Money, I think they still need more money, and yeah, food. They already have food, but they didn't have things to cook the food, so they need kitchen staff to cook the food for them to eat. Because yeah, you got that like biscuit or something that you can just like eat. It's okay, but for the rice you need to cook it first, right? So they need the kitchen staff to cook it. So since school started a few days more, they lost their clothes, which included school uniform. And in Malaysia, we use school uniform to go to school every day, 5 days a week. And yeah, they're gonna go to school without school uniform and gonna wear like normal clothes. And yeah, school conditions I think it's not really good, and they still need to like go to Royong, do some go to Royong and commence their school. So let's help them by giving more kitchen staff than clothes, because I think clothes they already have enough clothes and they need more kitchen staff. Also, after the flood, like the natural disaster, after it's decreasing, they need to clean their house. Well, some people still have their house, and some people still like their house have lost during the natural disaster, which is flood. And yeah, well, you know, when you clean a house, you're gonna feel like really tired. Gonna be a mud at like whole place. There's gonna be a mud at the floor, at wherever it is. So they need to clean up. Yes, of course, there's mud. Okay, the mud is it's not thin. Of course, it's really thick, and it's really hard for them to clean it. I heard a few, like from someone's opinion, which is after the flood victim clean the house, they're gonna be like super tired. So yeah, they're so tired, and yeah, they still need to cook, right, for themselves to eat. So why not these volunteer people? So you can ask them. I mean, like volunteer people can go. Few of them go to help the flood victim to clean house, and a few of them, a few of them just go to some like hall, and you can cook for them, for the flood victim, because they are already tired and they need to cook for themselves. So why not this volunteer cook for the flood victim, so that they doesn't feel like really tired and want to cook. And yeah, after the volunteer cook for them, why don't you send the food house to house so that they can eat easily, right? Why not? I think that's a good idea, because yeah, it's really hard for them. It's really gonna be for other people out there and the volunteers. Let's help them to make it works for them, for us to help them. Is the keikhlasan. Only is ikhlas. You have to be really honest. That not because of you want the name, or you want to be the paper, or you want to be the picture of something, or you want to make like I help you, I help them, puja you, something lah. Right. I hope there's not gonna be a people like that. I'm doing this video as a voice of other people, as myself, of this. Yeah, and also the schools is just few days more. There's this Instagram, I will put the link down below. he will collect the money till they have 23,000. So they will need to collect more money, and they're gonna make, they collect the money and they will buy a school uniform for the Flyweight team. And they negotiate with the supplier, and they will got a cheap price for all complete school uniforms from up to the bottom of your feet. Okay. So I hope I'm gonna put the link down below, and I hope you can donate and some money. No matter how much is this, it will be helpful. So let's pray for all of the Flyweight team, for all people that help, for the volunteers, for their safeness, and let's pray for the lost that have lost their family and friends, and the volunteers that died during their helps. And it's really kind of them that can help all those people. I wish I can help too. Yeah, I'll silence them. I'll Fatiha. So yeah. Yeah, don't forget to click the link that I put the Instagram link down below for you to donate. So don't forget to follow my Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and Facebook. My stuff, I put the link down below. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button and give a big thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to leave a big thumbs up if you don't like this video. Leave the comments down below if you have any idea of what they need to do during the flight and stuff. So I guess I'll see you guys again soon, next week, with my new videos. We will upload next week. So yeah, I see you guys again soon. And yeah, don't forget to click the Instagram that I put link down below. I think this profile is private, so yeah, I hope you can just request to follow. Still didn't watch my previous video, go and watch it now and leave a big thumbs up at that video and comment down below at the video. Next week, Assalamualaikum, and a very good for you all. See you guys.